Morning everybody. Today topic is representation of discrete time signals. Representation of discrete time signals. Representation of discrete time signals. First one is graphical representation. Second one is functional representation. Third one is tabular representation. Fourth one is sequence representation. Sequence representation. Coming to the graphical representation, it is very easy topics. Coming to the graphical representation, we take unit step function or unit step signal U of n. This is representation in the form of graphical. Example is unit step signal. The graphical representation of unit step signal is, this is n, small n, this is U of n. This is the discrete time signal. The representation graph in unit step signal U of n equal to, you know that definition, one for t greater than or equal to, n greater than or equal to 0. So unit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is graphical representation of unit step function. Second one is functional representation. Functional representation of you consider example unit step signal. Functional representation is U of n equal to 0, U of n equal to 1 for n greater than 0, 0 for otherwise. This is the functional representation of unit step signal. Coming to the tabular representation. Tabular representation. Tabular representation. Example, n value, x of n value. Zero, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Something. We take some values, x of n values. In zeros, 1, 1, 2, 3, 10, 3, 4. This is a tabular representation. Coming to the sequence representation. Sequence representation, a finite duration of x of n equal to sequence representation is zero, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is a point arrow symbol. This is a x of 0 value. This is the sequence representation. This is the representation of discrete